It's not something we want to think about, but if there's another pandemic down the road, there could be a universal policy on how to handle it in schools. Today, Duval County Public School leaders discussed that, along with the current COVID-19 situation. News4JAX reporter Joe McLean begins our coverage on the pandemic. He was in that meeting this morning and joins us live. Joy, the board said it is a long overdue update.
Right, because we haven't seen anything like COVID-19 in our lifetimes, the board is having to had to use emergency rulemaking to try to figure out how to handle this unique novel virus. It's why they want to update the policy now so they don't have to use emergency action to implement things like face masks during the next health crisis. This group of Duval County School Board members working to hash out a permanent update to the district's policy on diseases that spread from person to person.
Well, across the state of Florida, the communicable diseases policies that we saw happen to focus a lot on HIV and AIDS. And I think that it's likely that we haven't seen a pandemic with quite the same impact.
The goal is to create a broader policy to account for different types of diseases that spread in different ways. But creating an emergency rule like this is kind of complex. There's a lot the committee has to think about. Firstly, the administrative procedures, also how to engage the public. They also have to consider the policy scope and what mitigation measures are going to be on the table. They also have to think about confidentiality and how to delegate authority. For reference, the board looked through similar policies in at least 8 different districts across the state, picking and choosing what they think will work best in Duval County.
We want to make sure it's broad and that the same procedures that we have learned have been effective or maybe less effective as we've gone through this over the last year and a half will be policies and procedures that can be activated and used again for future boards, future students, future administrators. Now, before anyone asks, no, this doesn't necessarily mean that face masks are going to be a permanent part of emergency policy in DCPS, but they are part of the discussion. But this is just the beginning of the process. Any change to school board policy is going to have to be announced to the public first, but then voted on by a majority of the school board. We'll follow this process as it moves forward. Reporting live, I'm Joe McLean, Channel 4, the local station.